Hello boys and girls, today it's lesson 4 of unit 7. It means that we do project and you can watch the video attached to this one, right, to learn a bit more about engineering projects. This unit actually we've been talking about arts, yeah, and engineering projects because they were made, they were performed, or they are displayed, yeah, to practice the passive tense. All right, so this project today is about about engineering projects. Let's learn some words before we read this text, and we do these exercises related to this topic. Modern, it's easy to understand what it means. Body of water is a mass of water. Yeah, so like an ocean, a sea is a body of water. Daily, it means every day, yeah, regularly. The height is the altitude, and the width is the space in horizontal. Yeah, so that would be the height of a bridge, and that would be the width of a bridge. Okay, and underwater means obviously, as the word says, under the water. So let's read this text because later on we will need to answer these questions and fill the chart. Okay, so try to remember all the numbers and data that they say. Let's read. Over and under the sea. Thanks to modern technology, bridges and tunnels now go over and under large bodies of water, like bridges and tunnels. They are used daily by many people. Here there are two examples: the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco and the Channel Tunnel that connects France with the United Kingdom. Let's read the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most famous bridges in the world. It goes over the body of water in California known as the Golden Gate. It connects the city of San Francisco with the Marin County. The bridge was started in 1933 and it was finished in 1937. The bridge has a height of 227 meters and a width of 27 meters, and it's the space where the cars go through, yeah, and a length, now yes, of 2,737 meters. About 100,000 cars and trucks go over the bridge every day. So imagine all the people crossing up and down this bridge, yeah? All right, the Channel Tunnel, you see, it connects France with the United Kingdom. Instead of taking a plane, you can go with this tunnel under the water and cross the sea. The Channel Tunnel is the longest underwater tunnel in the world. It goes under the English Channel, connecting the United Kingdom and France. The tunnel was started in 1988 and it was finished in 1994. The two rail tunnels in the Channel Tunnel have a height of 7.6 meters and a width of 7.6 meters. Okay, so the tunnel is like a semicircle which has the same distance of height and width, and a length now of 50.5 kilometers. So imagine 50 kilometers under the water. About 20,000 people travel through the Channel Tunnel every day. Yeah, there are some people that they take this Channel Tunnel as you can take the train to go to Barcelona. Okay, so it's an interesting experience. Now, I know there is a lot of information, but I just wanted to notice one thing. As you see, in English language, we use the commas to indicate the thousands and the points to indicate the decimals, yeah, which is totally different from what we do in maths here in Spain, yeah. We would use commas for the decimals and points for the thousands. But if you check your calculator, it uses the same metric system as in English, yeah, because commas, well, decimals in the calculator are shown in dots, and commas indicate the thousands. So don't get confused by this, yeah, because it's something totally different we do in maths here. Now let's answer the questions. Let's see, otherwise we can always go back to the text and check again. How long did it take to build the Golden Gate Bridge? Do you remember? Let's calculate. So if it was started in 33 and was finished in 37, how long? Yes, 4 years. So it took 4 years. How many vehicles cross the Golden Gate Bridge in a day? Do you remember? It was a big number. Yeah. 100,000 cars and trucks cross the Golden Gate Bridge every day. What two countries are connected by the Channel Tunnel? Remember? Yes. So France and the United Kingdom are connected by the Channel Tunnel. And how long is the Channel Tunnel? It is, we're going to start the sentence, 50.5 kilometers long. Very good. Now you can look at the text and fill these spaces about construction started, finished, height, width, length, and daily use with all these numbers. Yeah. If you didn't attend the Zoom connection, you have the PDF attached to this video, and you can do this exercise by yourself and looking at the text. Okay. If you attended, we did it together, so you can go on into the next activity.